morning. Today is August 11. It's 10:30 in the morning. And it's Tuesday. And as you can see guys, okay na yung cabinet natin. Yay! So open lang talaga siya, pero meron niyang sliding sa taas. Diyan ko i-display mga bags. And finally, I have this big mirror in my room. So kahapon lang to natapos. And we are just going to clean the whole room. Kasi as you can see, may mga ganyan pa ako. And then itong shelf, hindi pa maayos. Medyo nagulo rin yung table. Oh, by the way, I added a mirror here as well para lang ma-break yung too much boxiness nung kwarto. So, ayan, naglagay lang ko ng irregular shaped mirror. And actually, I'm working right now. But yes, today guys, we are going to fix this cabinet. Ilalagay na lahat ng damit ko and damit ni Maxine dito. Aayusin na namin siya. Anyway, ikakat ko pa to. Yung tirang tela from the desk, ilalagay ko siya dun sa taas para pretty naman yung lagayan ng mga bag. So, let's start this day! It's our first batch of 2 p.m. So, ito yung mga common na sinasabit. Parang ang dami! Dapat bawasan na to. Ito yung mga first naming isasabit para yung mga tutupiin, mamaya na yun kasi medyo maliliit na lang naman yun. So, ayan, ang dami ko pang mga ukay-ukay items dito na hindi napapakita sa inyo. So, ayan, tapon na lang natin yung iba kapag hindi nagagamitin. So, let's start!
And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it goes, baby, go, grow, baby, grow.
We're done! Alin? Benta mo yan. We're done with this. Ay, nakasara. Grabe, sobrang daming gamit mo. Ito yung mga jackets, mga dress na pinagsama-sama na namin dito, naka-hanger. And then we have pants sa bottom, as you can see. So, we're done with this side. So, now, we're going to fill in this side. Ngayon ko na-realize na sobrang ang liwanag. Na sobrang dami kong damit. Ang dami kong pants, ang dami kong mga jacket na hindi ko naman nagagamit. So, yun. May mga ibebenta kami and all that.
Don't leave it all for the other side. Just don't, baby, love. Don't let go. Hanging on for another line. Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see.
Grabe, sobrang dami pa. And then, ito na yung mga nailagay namin sa damitan. Hey guys, we are done. Bakit ako gumaganito? Anyway, we are actually done fixing our clothes. Pero marami pang mga items na nakulangan ng hanger. So, yung 40 hangers ko, super kulang pa siya. And ito na yung current look niya. So, ayan, medyo magulo siya kasi sobrang dami pa rin talaga. Pero, yan yung best na kaya namin gawin. So, ayan yung mga jackets, mga coat, mga dresses and jumpers that I have. And then sa baba, I have here all of my pants. And I didn't know that I have these number of pants. Sobrang dami niya, dami niyang options. And then some hangers, dalawa na yung pants na nakapatong sa kanya. In terms of the hanger, it's very sturdy naman. It's just that it can't hold two pants at the same time unless it's very lightweight like these fabrics. And then sa baba, we have this lagayan ng mga underwear and then mga bikini ko, pero papalitan pa natin yun ng mga organizers from I think Miniso or Japan Homes. Baka sa Saturday kami bumili, pero that's it. Diyan muna namin siya nilagay para lang hindi magulo. And then guys, on this side, ayan, so medyo maayos na siya. As in, andito yung mga panglakad na mga t-shirts and other sweaters and jackets kasi hindi ko na rin siya masampay. And then I have here, baka nakaka-proud, joke. I have here all of my sleeveless tops. And then ang dami ko palang sleeveless tops. And then I have these 3 neon tops. And then I tried arranging it by color like yellow, red, and whatnot. And then here, ang dami kong black na sleeveless top, and then I have some sky blue, and then I have here yung mga white, and then mga black na merong mga stripes and all that. And then for this part, andito yung mga dress, and then scarves, And then here yung skirts ko, and naka-arrange din siya per color. And then here mga jumper skirts. And then I have some of our jogging pants and pajamas. And then here, ito yung mga pambahay. I have this shorts, mga lightweight shorts. And then we have all the denim shorts. I also got these 2 masks from the Go Glass. So as you all know, guys, I'm part of the Go Glass family already. So they sent me masks and skincare. And then sa likod, I have the cyclings, if you know that. And then here, I have all of my bralettes and then other pambahay shisms, like mga white t-shirts, other t-shirts, and then mga sleeveless na pambahay. But most likely, andito yung mga bralettes na I can use for workout or for everyday use lang. So, coffee time. Ewan ko, feeling ko mas okay mag-coffee kapag afternoon. I don't know. I am using this Terani caramel syrup that I got from Lataza Co. So, it's an Instagram shop wherein you can get all of your coffee essentials. So, one of those is this Terani caramel syrup. And, to be honest guys, sobrang sarap niyang gamitin. Especially, kapag hinahalo ko siya rito sa iced Spanish latte ko. So, I only put yung itong cup niya. Ito yung ginagamit kong measuring tool. Ang sarap nung coffee ko everyday. So, super game changer to for me. Super duper love this. So, if you wanna, or if you're really addicted to coffee, you may wanna try this. It's a game changer. So, now guys, we are going to fix all of my bags para ma-start na natin ayusin yung top part ng cabinet. So, let's start first with this bag. So, pupunasan ko lang siya. And you know, this is my Charles & Keith bag that I got from Tagaytay way back. Grabe, namimiss ko ng mag-thrift. So, ang problem ko with this one is yung strap niya, diba? Very, what do you call this? Medyo nagtatanggal na yung leather niya. So, what I do is, naglalagay ako ng bandana sa kanya. So, let's start doing this for this bag.
Hanging on for another line. Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same.
Yeah, I did it right.
When words have no place and time has escaped, ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a puzzle we can read. Don't you wanna go outside? So we go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just move, baby, love. Don't do let go. Hanging on for another line. Let it be clear when we get there.
Hi guys! So, remember this from my room decor haul. This is yung DIY desk drawer. So, let's try to put it na today para meron akong lagay ng mga pen. Isang pen lang pala to. And then sharpener. So, let's try.
Let it be clear when we get there. 'Cause even flowers bloom outside of the moon.